Good afternoon, freshmen, and happy math intervention. I'm excited to talk about today something that we learned before the winter intersession, but that's going to be important for our lesson tomorrow, so you need to pay close attention. Today we're going to talk about converting between improper fractions and mixed numbers. Let's get started. Let's say that I want to change 2 1/3 into an improper fraction. Well, 2 1/3 means that I have two wholes and then 1/3. So I've got a group of 3/3 plus another group of 3/3 plus 1/3. The easiest way to show this with math is to say that I have two groups of 3/3, or 2 times 3, that's 6, plus one more. 6 plus 1 is 7. But the number of pieces that I divide each whole does not change. So it's 7/3. 2 1/3 is the same as 7/3. I can see that in my model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/3. Let's look at another example. 4 1/5. Just like with the last one, I can multiply my whole number times the denominator because I have four groups of 5/5. 4 times 5 is 20, plus one more is 21, and my denominator stays 5. Don't get this confused with multiplying 4 times 1/5. That's not what I'm doing. I'm changing 4 and 1/5 into an improper fraction. Now you try one. 3 2/7. Change it into an improper fraction. Let's see how you did. I've got three groups of 7/7, so 3 times 7, that's 21. Plus 2 more gives me 23, and my denominator stays 7. What if I want to go the other way? Let's say I have 16/5 and I want to change it into a whole number, or a mixed number. To do that, I need to divide to see how many groups of 5/5 I have. Here I have three groups of 5/5, so 3 wholes, with 1/5 left over. How could I show that with math? Well, I'm going to divide 16 divided by 5 to see how many groups of 5 are in 16. 5 goes into 16 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract, and I have 1 left over. So I have 3 wholes with a remainder of 1, and my denominator stays 5. Let's look at another example. 17/3. I'm going to divide the numerator divided by the denominator. 3 goes into 17 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. So my remainder is 2. 5 is my whole number. That's the number of groups of 3 I have, with 2 left over, and my denominator stays 3. Now you try one. Write 18/7 as a mixed number. To do this, I need to divide 18 divided by 7. 7 goes into 18 twice. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract, and that gives me 4. So I've got 2 wholes with 4 out of 7 left over. You've done a great job with this video. Now it's time to go to practice.